Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog, and good morning. So I'm just going to start off the day with a little bit of espresso before I get into some editing. I haven't edited in such a long time as I've been super busy with school, but I thought I would edit this fun video. By the time you see this, I'm like a week ahead. I'm pretty ahead on everything. So it was so much fun to do. I had a great time working with Jess. Go follow Jess. She's so cool, and great and so creative. But yeah, now that I finished editing, I'm kind of hungry. So honestly, I might eat something before I take on another task for the day. But it's been a while since I edited a YouTube video, like a makeup YouTube video. So it was a lot of fun. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but they're always so fun to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably go eat something. Maybe an egg sandwich. I am vegetarian, but I do eat eggs. And I love it. I'm still reading the same book, but I've definitely I've gotten a few more books. I might do a mini book haul, like back to school book haul. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I think that could be super fun. So now I'm just gonna make some noodles. I love making noodles. These are rice noodles with peanuts and a ton of soy sauce. So I just got this new carving material. I think it's super easy to carve, but I definitely have to try it out a few more times. I definitely like it. I think it's easy to carve on, and I don't know. Just a little filming for an IGTV I did, inspired by Animal Crossing. Hey guys, I just finished doing this look for IGTV. It's so cute and creative. I'm really getting into creative looks these days. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and wash all of this off. This look will be posted to my IGTV. It's inspired by Animal Crossing characters, so super excited about that. Yeah, so didn't take as long as I thought, only about 30 minutes, which was cool. Yeah, so I had some noodles, super full, and I think I'm just gonna carve for the rest of the day. Cool. So, as you guys can probably tell, I'm still carving this block. I don't think I will ever finish. It might be 2022. But I am having a fun time. Have my coffee and these wood tools. I think they're power grip. They're actually coming in handy. So I really like these. I haven't tried many wood carving tools, but it's okay. I like these. Now, also, I got some new skincare. I got some an oil cleanser, and a calming mask. I really like these. Just a little bit more reading as the plot thickens. So, I'm still working on this carving. Madman hours. It's coming along though. I made some progress. I feel like I only have this tree left, and some grass, and then I'll be done with it, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, so hopefully I can finish this. I thought I'd finish it today, but I'm probably going to finish it in the next couple of days, or probably by the weekend. So yeah. Exciting. Cut. This is like a more of an eraser material. It's actually a lot easier to cut on than regular lino, so I might be just using this in the future. I feel like, I don't know, it takes the blades a little bit better and I don't end up cutting into my finger. So I really like this, so I'm hoping to make a bunch of these little prints and make a lot of these like kind of mythology folk creature inspired little guys. So I think this is super fun, and I really like this character. Hey guys, so today was the first day of classes, so scary. I gave my hair. I had my drawing class super early today, and it went really well. I only kept them for a little bit, so I'm excited about that. Then I had a film theory class, and that was kind of intense, so I might end up dropping that class. I feel like I'm so overloaded. I don't want to just like burn out, especially with my mental health, which is always super important, but I'm currently just carving away. I was taking about 18 credits, but I think I'm only going to take 15. It's not that deep. But yeah, I'm just working on, let's see if I can turn it around. Okay, now, so I can't turn it around. So I'm just working on this carving still. I'm just doing the tree, and I have all of these cool like ridges. So the entire tree is gonna be like this, so I'm excited. It's taking a long time. It's a cute little rabbit. But yeah, that's what I'm working on today, all of these little ridges, and hopefully I can be done with this in like another week. So yeah. I wanted to let you guys know I got a new book. It's called Untamed by Glennon Doyle, and it was recommended by Ashley Vi. I recommend you guys check it out. It's really good so far. And I want to show you guys I painted my nails. This is a random color, I think, from the drugstore, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.